Welcome back to Finance and Fortune. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that everyone dreams about, building wealth. We're talking about the types of assets that are making people rich right now. Whether you're looking to secure your financial future, create generational wealth, or just level up your finances, knowing the right assets to invest in is the key. And trust me, it's not about luck. It's about making smart decisions with your money. In this video, we'll break down 7 powerful assets that are putting money in people's pockets every single day. So if you want to join the ranks of the financially successful, you're in the right place. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got tons of content lined up to help you grow your wealth, and you don't want to miss any of it. Now, let's get into it. 1. Real estate, the classic wealth builder. We can't talk about building wealth without mentioning real estate. This timeless asset has been the cornerstone of wealth creation for centuries. Why? Because property generally appreciates in value over time, especially in growing or highly desirable locations. And beyond just appreciation, real estate offers multiple ways to make money, such as rental income, house flipping, and even property development. One of the best aspects of real estate is leverage. With a mortgage, you can control a large asset with relatively little upfront capital, allowing you to maximize your returns. For example, let's say you buy a property with a 20% down payment. If that property appreciates even modestly, say 5 to 10%, the return on your actual cash invested could be much higher due to the power of leverage. What's more, there are tax advantages such as deductions for mortgage interest and depreciation, making real estate even more attractive. Whether you're buying a single-family home, investing in commercial real estate, or getting into real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate remains a top-performing asset class that can set you on the path to wealth. 2. Stocks. Ownership in global businesses. Next up, we have stocks, an asset class that gives you partial ownership of some of the most profitable companies in the world. When you buy shares in a company, you're entitled to a portion of the company's profits, which can come in the form of dividends or capital appreciation. And the best part? You don't have to be a financial expert to get started. Investing in stocks is a powerful way to build wealth over time. Historically, the stock market has returned around 7 to 10% annually, making it one of the best long-term investments. If you're willing to invest consistently and ride out market fluctuations, you could grow your wealth significantly. There are different ways to invest in stocks. You can buy individual stocks if you have the time and knowledge to research companies, or you can invest in index funds or ETFs for instant diversification. The key here is patience and a long-term perspective. With compounding, even small investments can grow into substantial wealth over time. 3. Cryptocurrency, the digital gold rush. Cryptocurrency has been one of the hottest topics in finance over the last few years, and for good reason. Early adopters of assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have made fortunes, and while the market can be volatile, the potential for massive gains is undeniable. Cryptocurrencies offer a new frontier for wealth creation, especially as blockchain technology continues to evolve and disrupt traditional financial systems. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, and many investors see it as a hedge against inflation, much like precious metals. Meanwhile, Ethereum and other altcoins are powering new innovations in decentralized finance to DeFi, which could revolutionize how we handle transactions, loans, and even investments. But it's not just about buying and holding coins. Many investors are getting rich by staking their cryptocurrencies to earn passive income, or by participating in the booming NFT, non-fungible token market. If you're willing to tolerate some risk and do your research, cryptocurrency might just be the asset that propels you to financial success. 4. Businesses. Creating your own income streams. Owning a business is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth because you have the potential to scale your earnings beyond what's possible with a typical salary. The wealthiest people in the world, from Jeff Bezos to Elon Musk, all built their fortunes by starting and scaling businesses. When you own a business, you're in control of how much money you can make. You can create multiple revenue streams, expand your customer base, and leverage your business's success to invest in other assets like real estate and stocks. Whether you start a traditional brick-and-mortar business, an online store, or even a side hustle, owning a business allows you to build an asset that can generate income far into the future. Of course, running a business comes with its challenges, but the rewards can be immense. If you're willing to put in the time and effort, owning a business can be your ticket to financial independence and long-term wealth. 5. Precious metals. Stability in uncertain times. While not as flashy as cryptocurrency or the stock market, precious metals like gold and silver have been trusted stores of value for thousands of years. These assets provide stability, especially during times of economic uncertainty. When inflation rises or markets become volatile, investors often flock to gold and silver as safe havens. Gold in particular is seen as a hedge against inflation. As the value of paper currency declines, the price of gold tends to rise, protecting your wealth. What makes precious metals unique is their intrinsic value. They aren't dependent on the success of a company, government, or currency. Investing in precious metals can diversify your portfolio and act as a financial insurance policy during economic downturns. And with new ways to invest like Gold ETFs and digital gold, you don't need to physically store bars of gold in your home to take advantage of this asset. 6. Intellectual property, the power of ideas. One asset that often flies under the radar is intellectual property, IP. This can include anything from patents and trademarks to creative works like music, books, and digital content. What makes intellectual property so powerful is that once it's created, it can continue to generate income long after the initial work is done. Take musicians or authors, for example. Once they create a song or write a book, they can earn royalties every time it's sold, streamed, or played. Similarly, entrepreneurs who hold patents can license their inventions to other companies, earning passive income without lifting a finger. With the rise of the internet, monetizing intellectual property has become easier than ever. Whether you're creating a YouTube channel, writing a book, or developing an app, your ideas can become income-generating assets. If you have a passion for creating intellectual property, it could be a game changer for your financial future. 7. Bonds, stability, and predictable returns. While bonds might not be the most exciting asset on this list, they offer stability and predictable returns, making them an essential part of any well-rounded portfolio. Bonds are essentially loans that you give to corporations or governments, and in return, they pay you interest over time. The great thing about bonds is that they provide fixed income payments, which can be a reliable source of passive income, especially for those approaching retirement. While the returns are generally lower than stocks or real estate, the risk is also lower, making them ideal for investors seeking safety and stability. Government bonds, especially those from stable countries, are considered some of the safest investments in the world. If you're looking for an asset that will help preserve your wealth while providing modest growth, bonds are a solid option to consider. So there you have it. 7 powerful assets that are helping people build wealth and achieve financial independence. Whether you're looking to invest in real estate, stocks, cryptocurrency, or even your own business, the opportunities are endless. But remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. The key is to diversify, stay patient, and continue learning about how to make your money work for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with anyone who's ready to start their wealth building journey. And don't forget to subscribe to Finance and Fortune for more tips, strategies, and insights on how to achieve financial success. See you in the next video and happy investing.